What's up, everybody? As y'all can see, we back. Another holiday edition, Cook with Cartea. So, y'all see our next recipe. If y'all can't already tell, we got that mac and cheese. Let me just go ahead and just skip all that and just show y'all these ingredients because I'm excited. I ain't even gonna lie. So right here, we got our elbow pasta. And we got the heavy cream in the bag. We got some butter right here. I'm gonna come over here, we got chicken broth. We got some sweetened condensed milk. We got the cream cheese right here in the front. And the stars of the show. We got all our cheeses right here. We gonna grate all that cheese down. So we got the medium cheddar in the front. We got mozzarella. We got some sharp cheddar. We got some Colby Jack. And then it's that secret cheese. That smokehouse cheddar cheese. Got that cheese bread. Yeah. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started, man. We're gonna go ahead and get these pasta noodles going. We're gonna grate that cheese up, and then we're gonna get going. Now, let me tell y'all this. This is one of the easiest ways to make mac and cheese. That Southern style, that baked mac and cheese, that Thanksgiving, yeah, that soul food mac and cheese. I make it like this almost all the time. There's different ways that people make it. There's other ways that you can make it, but I'm gonna show y'all the easiest way to do it, and it's gonna be fire. I'm trying to tell y'all. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go. In here, we're gonna start off with our medium mild cheddar. Let's go ahead and get that in there. Sharp cheddar next. Let's get some Colby Jack in there. That's gonna be our cheese mix. We're gonna come in with some heavy cream. That sweetened condensed milk, just a little bit. It's not gonna make the mac and cheese sweet. It's just gonna kind of help balance out the, those cheeses and the saltiness of the cheeses. So you throw a little bit of that in there, and we're just gonna mix that up. Now we're gonna season this. Throw some black pepper in there. Salt. Garlic powder. And some smoked paprika. Then we're gonna mix that up. Once you get it all mixed up, taste it, make sure it's seasoned right, make sure you don't need no more seasoning, no more salt, pepper. Just taste a little bit, make sure it tastes good. That's gonna be our base. So boom, that's that. We got that. We got our sauce, like our cheese sauce made. It's not really a sauce texture, but it's like a mix. But I'm telling you, when I started making mac and cheese, I started it off making it like this. A lot of people, you know what I'm saying, they vouch for the mac and cheese, and I make it just like this. And like I said, especially for the people that's just starting off making mac and cheese, you know, it's an easy way to make it, easiest way. You don't really have to worry about making a roux. Not everybody makes a roux, but you can if you want to. But I'm gonna show y'all how to do that later on. Y'all stay tuned though. Just in case y'all was wondering why we had that chicken broth. The chicken broth was so that we could boil the noodles in. We still put some water in there, about the same amount. You want to get those pasta noodles for this baked mac and cheese, that extra flavor. So we're not gonna season the pasta noodles too heavy, because the chicken broth already got, you know, that saltiness in it. So we're not gonna season them too heavy, not gonna put too much salt. We just gonna season them lightly. But watch what we do. So our pasta is done. What I like to do to stop that pasta from cooking is I like to shock it with some cold water. You shock it with that cold water because you want to stop the pasta from cooking. Because they keep cooking, and you're gonna have softer pasta noodles, and they're gonna be broken up, and you don't want that. You still want them to have some firmness and some texture. We're gonna put cream cheese. cream cheese or sour cream, whichever one y'all prefer to use. I've used both before. I like the cream cheese better though. About a quarter of butter in there, quarter stick of butter in there. Now let's get that mixed in a little bit. Pasta is pretty much covered. Next we're gonna come in with a little bit of seasoning, like I was saying. Come in with a little bit of pepper. Just to season this up just a little bit more. Some garlic powder. That smoked paprika, you need that. And we just gonna add a little bit of salt. Mix that in. We're gonna come with that filling that we made. Put that in there. Now this is when I like to come in with that smokehouse cheddar. I'm gonna just break it up. You can cut it up, whatever. Ain't that serious. I'm gonna just break it up and just throw it up in there. We're gonna mix this up in there too. Yep. If you don't know about that smokehouse cheddar, now you know. This the secret. Now let's come in, let's mix that around. And this one we come in with that mozzarella cheese and some mild cheddar too. And we're gonna top it off with that Colby Jack. That Colby Jack is gonna get them open spots. Now use whatever kind of cheeses that you like to use. And we almost done. We got our oven preheated at 400 degrees. You could do 375, 400 degrees. Now we just gonna throw some foil on there for about this dish. We're gonna do about 20 minutes with the foil. Then we're gonna take the foil off and then we're gonna do another 15, probably 10, 15 minutes, no foil. And y'all gonna see what it's looking like when it come out that oven. So let's get it in the oven. Mama used to say, take your time, yeah. See that mac and cheese, there we go. Now we're gonna let it rest for a little bit. I'm gonna throw a little bit of parsley on there to top it off. All right, y'all, so I can't wait no more. We got our mac and cheese, we let it settle down for a little bit. Now y'all see how it's looking. So, let's go ahead and just get us a taste. Get that corner right there, it's nice and hot. Alright y'all, so if it's cool with y'all, like it's real cool with me, we got our mac and cheese right here. I just want to go ahead and get a taste. What we doing? Yeah. So hot. That smokiness, look, that smoked cheddar, take it to the next level. That smoked paprika, make sure y'all use that smoky flavor. It's gonna change the game. So look, this is holiday edition. The mac and cheese, the most important meal of the holidays. You know, if you mess up the mac and cheese, everything messed up. So I gave y'all the easy way to make it. Gave y'all the sauce. Y'all know what to do. This recipe right here is gonna set your mac and cheese apart. Make sure y'all make this recipe. Like always, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all stay tuned for what's yet to come. We still in holiday edition. The holidays ain't came yet. So we gonna have some more recipes for the holidays. So make sure y'all stay tuned for what's yet to come. Another holiday edition, Cook with Cartea. We gonna see y'all on the next one.